PS4 game freezing or crashing, the ultimate fix. Is your game freezing right at the best part? It is incredibly frustrating when your PS4 just quits on you. You are not alone. This happens to thousands of gamers every single day. But here is the good news. You can fix this issue yourself at home after watching this video. Please comment if you face any difficulty. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more fixes. Let us jump into the verified solutions. We will start with the simplest steps and move to the advanced ones. Step 1. Power cycle your console. This clears the system cache and often solves minor glitches. Turn off your console completely. Unplug the power cable for 60 seconds, then plug it back in and restart. Step 2. Check your game disk. A tiny scratch or smudge can cause a total freeze. Also, check your internet. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then select Test Internet Connection. Step 3. Keep your software updated. Outdated firmware is a major cause of crashes. Go to Settings, then go to System Software Update and install any files. This keeps your console stable. Highlight your game, press Options, and select Check for Update. Developers release patches for these exact bugs. Step 4. Manage your storage. A full hard drive slows down everything and triggers crashes. Delete old games or media files. Your system needs breathing room to run games smoothly. Step 5. Rebuild the database. This is one of the most powerful fixes for any PS4. Turn off the console. Hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. Select option 5, Rebuild Database. This will not delete your games, but it fixes corrupted data. This process can take a few minutes. Let it finish completely without turning off the power. Step 6. If only one specific game is crashing, you might need to delete and reinstall it. Press Options on the game icon, then select Delete, then download it again from your library. Step 7. The last resort is to initialize your PS4. This wipes all your data. Always back up your saves to the cloud or a USB drive before doing this. Go to Settings, then go to Initialization, then select Initialize PS4. This resets the console to factory settings. Most freezing issues are solved by rebuilding the database or updating your software. You have got this. Your gaming will be back to normal in no time. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes.